Elena, the part where you're talking about was great. I'm gonna like put really loud music up, and I'm like, in this part we're talking about jiggly nuts.
Here. Thank you.
I'm really temples free refills. That's why I didn't get a water. That's why I got a water.
Why you didn't get a water? There you go, you have a water. It's my water. I can taste it.
I hate tea, but okay.
Drink it anyway.
Tell me
You didn't drink any?
Tell me about something different.
Let me smell it. Some sugar. I said let me smell it. These are really
It tastes like Sprite.
It's really good.
It's Sprite and cherries.
It was great.
You need to stir yours up.
The ones at Montego Bay were really good.
Oh, freaker.
Which one's which? Are they all the same?
No.
This is like Splenda.
Yellow.
Because they have their unless put some sugar in it, and if you don't like it, just
Are we going to take the go box?
Dude, we could like eat in our room.
Yeah.
We do have a
I love
microwave.
to eat it.
yeah, we've got a microwave.
We should just like
We
eat
do?
a bunch of breadsticks here and then eat our food there. Or
In
bring
the
a
fridge.
breadsticks.
No, I'm gonna eat
And
everything
fridge.
but my like, I don't know. Like, y'all are just gonna have to give me some of my food, of y'all's food.
We got a fridge.
I wonder if we can like get refills on our food.
No, I got some crap. We can pick it on my
We need to ask for
cookies
it
that I
to
brought.
go. This freaking tea tastes like freaking poo.
Okay, tell
Let me show you what to do.
Is this which one's which? You guys want more fries?
Yes, please.
Alright. I like
Elena, watch. Taste it.
Oh, it's the same one.
It's the same
I need
thing.
2 of these.
Okay, Elena, this is Splenda because it's a sugar substitute.
Yeah, that's what this is.
Dude, I'm gonna be bouncing.
Okay, this is literally sugar, and then this is a sugar substitute. That's what it says.
It's on my ice, yo.
I'm gonna eat some, like legit. I would got these some sugar.
I put real sugar in my thing. I don't go for that fake stuff.
She's in choir with them.
It makes me so freaking mad because I touched her guitar to move it out of the way so I could put my feet so I could stand up. She said, please don't touch that.
I'm gonna bleep these parts out and be like inappropriate
And then
talking.
she was eavesdropping on mine and Madison's conversation.
Yeah, dude, like.
I was thinking, you actually have the nerve to tell me not to touch your guitar, but you can eavesdrop.
Yes,
I
like
just said, please don't
button
eavesdrop.
in and stuff. Like,
What'd you say?
Me and Madison were talking about the
you
rooms,
can't,
about
like,
how it wasn't going to be
who
cool. We had a
you are.
king-size bed and one couch. And she said, no, it's 3 beds. And I was thinking, please don't butt in on my conversation.
Did I just say like half of this thing is
Please
sugar?
don't put in on my conversation.
Alright, let's do it.
Hey.